Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I thought I'll just share how I'm gonna build shelf in my garage to maximize space. Currently, as you can see, I have these boxes lying around, and I think I could use this space right over here to put them up there, and then I'm gonna have maximum space on the floor. Maybe I can park my car, whatever it is. So okay, so the two vertical columns are in place, and now I'm gonna put these kind of supporting beams. I cut the both ends at 45 degrees, so it's gonna go like that. Okay, so one thing I did is I pre-drilled a hole in this supporting piece so that when I'm driving the nail or the screw, it's not gonna crack the this wood piece. Okay, so I got the supporting pieces on, and as you can see, they're very level. And I also did two screws just so that we have more support. Yeah, so now all is left is just putting some piece on top, like a flat surface, and we'll have a nice shelf. All right, so the shelf is complete. I know it's not the most prettiest shelf in the world, but it does its job, and I have a lot of clearance with respect to the door, so I'm pretty happy with that. I might put some supporting pieces on the edges just to prevent things from sliding. I might actually put screws on this one from the top just to give it more reinforcement. What I ended up doing was cutting this piece here with a jigsaw, like a rectangular piece, and I made it tight, so I had to use a hammer and push this in, so that kind of made it more strong. Overall, not bad. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so for a bit more reinforcement, what I did is I added this piece in the middle right here. Since there's no stud going in the middle, I had to put this horizontal piece and kind of tied it into those vertical pieces, and then I put this extra support piece. I feel this makes it a bit more strong, because before it was a bit wobbly, but now it's super sturdy. So there you go, you can just do these nice shelves yourself.